Here is this Hoover Steam Vac Widepath 6 rotating brushes. This vacuum, I mean this steamer that I picked up at Goodwill. I'll tell you the price right now. The price I paid was only $17.99, and I looked online and these sell for quite a bit of money. And it's made really well. It's back in the early 90s. And I've heard nothing but good reviews about this product. So if you're in need of one, check out thrift stores. Give them a shot. And I'll show you what my carpet looks like now. So this is what my carpet looks like now after using the carpet cleaner in 2 different directions. So yeah, for it being